In today's video, I want to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign for a plumbing company that in the last 30 days has generated 40 leads. Now let's dive in. Let's take a look at this plumbing campaign now. As you can see here, we have $100 per day budget on this campaign. And then we have 40 leads or conversions. We have a cost per CPA of $59.46. So that's what we're acquiring the leads for per lead. That's that breakout. And then we have a conversion rate of 16.46%, which is pretty solid. We have a total cost for this 30-day period of $2,378.30. And then we have a total amount of clicks of 243 clicks. And then we are running a max clicks bid strategy on this campaign. Because we have it so well dialed in, we're able to do this. Sometimes campaigns CPAs will go a little out of whack, and then we would then use like a target CPA or something like that to help lower that. So let's take a look at the ad groups that we're using here. So we have plumbing repair, plumbing SCAG, which means single keyword ad group, plumbers near me, plumbing repair Maryville, plumbing repair Knoxville, sewer line repair, tankless water heater, local plumbers, toilet repair, 24-hour plumber, water heater repair. And then as you can see here, based on this conversion column, these few here are the ones that are driving the majority of the conversions or all the conversions for this 30-day period. So one thing I wanted to mention about the ad groups. So the ad groups consist of both the ads themselves and then the actual keywords themselves. For instance, plumbing repair. Any keyword or ad that would be closely related to plumbing repair would be categorized inside of this. So let's take a look at the keywords that we're using here for this campaign. So as you'll see here, we have both phrase match and exact match. So we have plumbers, plumber repair services, plumbing repair, plumbing Maryville, Tennessee, plumbers near me, plumbers near me. Phrase match and exact match, those are two different types. And then we have plumbers, plumber near me, plumbing companies near me. And then those few there are driving the majority of the conversions there. Phrase match, what this means is, and that's this with the little quotations on there. Phrase match means that whatever the consumer searches for on Google, plumbers has to consist inside of that little sentence or phrase that they're searching for. Otherwise, it will not show up for the consumer. And then exact match, this means that for whatever the consumer is searching for on Google, plumbing Maryville, Tennessee has to be pretty much exactly searched this way. Otherwise, it will also not show up for the consumer. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions about this, or you would like to just reach out to us to ask a general question, please comment below. We'd be very happy to hear from you and answer any questions you have. Make sure to check out our other videos. We have a lot of really great content that's educational like this. Other than that, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.